try to do one more pull. I think I might have a wire short out somewhere. Let's do this again. JZ, pull inside the GS300. Let's see. What's up, everybody? So the car is turned on right now, and how you would actually know is, well, you can hear it now. But look, if I walk right over there and try to listen to hear the, like, you barely can hear anything. It's so silent. Let me bring y'all around to the back and give it some revs so y'all could hear how it sounds around there. It sounds really good. It's not annoying or nothing. If you're the person if you're the type of person trying to sneak out of your yard, this will work for you. Somewhat. Oh yeah, you get the point. Look at this. Come on, really? Now take a look at this. Hope we don't smoke you over around here. Well, it shouldn't smoke you over here. Mama, good. I just put up that the subscribe. No? The subscribe by the block. Sit down, Kevin.
He said no more. It's a 7 quart big enough.